What's going on everyone? In this video I will show you how to fix Galaxy A56 camera not working. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings and scroll down and click on apps. Now scroll down and then click on camera, and here you can see the option storage. Now click on storage and here you can clear the cache memory of your camera. After clear the cache memory of your camera, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, then go back and click on general management and then click on reset. On top you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it and then again click on reset settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.